Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add warehouse address on TikTok Shop. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So what you can do is you can head over to seller-ph.tiktok.com/homepage. Now this link will actually vary depending on your location. So once you're logged into your TikTok Shop Seller Center, you can see in here this left sidebar. So what you can do is you can click on this My Account and scroll down until you can reach this account settings. So let's click on this account settings, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this option for warehouse settings. So let's head over right here to click on this warehouse settings, and in here you can see all the address that you have. So if you don't have an address yet, you should be able to see an add option, and in here you can also edit it out however you want once you have added in here a pickup warehouse, and this also applies on your return warehouse that you can see on your account settings right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we will try our best to answer. Thanks.